Attention NTPC pensioners, have you received your lump sum EPS95 Higher Pension Arrears? Watch out, this huge payout could trigger a massive unnecessary income tax shock this year. Because income tax slabs are progressive, receiving multiple years of pension arrears in a single financial year artificially pushes you into the highest tax bracket. You might end up paying heavy tax on money that actually belongs to previous years. But don't panic, the Income Tax Department provides a relief. By filing Form 10E online, you can spread your pension arrears back into the years they actually belong to, drastically reducing your tax liability. Here is the golden rule. You must file Form 10E online before you submit your income tax return. If you claim the relief in your ITR without submitting Form 10E first, the tax department will reject it and issue a tax demand notice. Get your year-wise pension arrear breakup sheet from NTPC or the EPFO portal today. Log into the Income Tax e-filing portal, complete Form 10E, and secure your hard-earned retirement savings. Share this with your fellow NTPC colleagues.